Hello everyone. In this video, let me discuss about the concept of entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship meaning, definition, and meaning of entrepreneur and characteristics of entrepreneur. Now, let me see what is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a dynamic activity which helps the entrepreneur to bring changes in the process of production, innovation in production, new usage of materials, and creator of market, etc. Definition of entrepreneurship. In the words of A.H. Cole, the purposeful activity of an individual or group of associated individuals undertaken to initiate, maintain, or earn profits by production and distribution of economic goods and services. The term entrepreneur has been derived from the French language, which originally denotes designation of an organizer of musical or other entertainments. So here, the entrepreneur plays a vital role in the economic development of a country. Entrepreneur can be defined as a person who tries to create something new, organizes production, and undertakes risk and handles economic uncertainty involved in enterprises. The output of an entrepreneurial process ends up in establishing an enterprise. The process of entrepreneurship has been depicted here. Let me discuss some of the characteristics of entrepreneur. The first one is spirit of enterprise, self-confidence, hard work, flexibility, innovation, resource mobilization, and leadership. Foresight, analytical ability, and decision making. Spirit of enterprise. The entrepreneur should be bold enough to encounter risk arising from the venture undertaken. The second one is self-confidence. Entrepreneur should have a self-confidence in order to achieve high goals in the business. Entrepreneur directs his ability towards the accomplishment of goals with the help of his strength and weakness. The next one is hard work. Entrepreneur should put his efforts to accomplish the goals of the venture successfully. They should spend their energy in addressing the issues to stay successfully. The next one is the flexibility. Here, entrepreneurs should change the decisions made accordingly in the light of ever-changing business environment. Next one is innovation. So here, an entrepreneur is meant for innovation. In the present world, the taste of the customers keeps on changing. So the entrepreneur initiate research and innovative activities to produce goods to satisfy the customers' changing demands for the product. The next one is research mobilization. Here, the entrepreneur should have the capability to mobilize both the tangible inputs like manpower, money, materials, technology, market, methods, etc., which are scattered over a wide area, and certain intangible inputs like motivation, morally, and innovativeness cannot be purchased in the market outright. Another characteristics of an entrepreneur is the leadership. Entrepreneur should be able to influence his team members by showing sympathy and empathy so as to enable them to contribute positively towards the goal of the venture. Foresight. Entrepreneur should have a foresight to visualize the future business environment. In other words, entrepreneurs should foresee the likely changes to take place in market, consumer attitude, technological development, etc., and take timely actions accordingly. Another characteristic is the analytical ability. Here, the entrepreneur should not make decisions on the basis of his own personal likes and dislikes. Entrepreneurs should be able to objectively analyze the situation and act accordingly. The last comes the decision making. Entrepreneur has to take timely and correct decision with regard to nature and type of product to be produced, type of technology to be adapted, type of human assets to be employed, location of the enterprise, size of the unit, and volume of production, and so on. So the entrepreneur must take a timely and correct decision.